Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken. To begin, you must first understand the conditions under which this legendary beast appears. Ensure your ship is fully stocked with cannonballs, planks, and food. A well-coordinated crew is absolutely vital for success. Consider sailing a larger vessel, such as a galleon or a brigantine, as these ships offer more resilience and firepower against the Kraken's might. Preparation is key to surviving this epic battle. When the Kraken decides to strike, the ocean around your ship will turn a deep, ink-eye black, and all ambient music will cease. This is your cue to prepare for battle. Immediately position your vessel to give your crew the best firing angles on the incoming tentacles. Concentrate your cannon fire on the specific tentacles that are actively attacking your ship. Making these tentacles retreat is crucial for managing the damage your ship sustains. During the intense battle, your primary objective is to relentlessly attack the Kraken's massive tentacles with your ship's cannons. Keep a vigilant eye on your ship's hull and repair any damage immediately using planks to prevent it from sinking. If a crewmate is ensnared by a tentacle, quickly use your cutlass or pistol to free them. Persistence and teamwork are essential to overcome this formidable sea monster. Once the Kraken is defeated, its massive tentacles will recede, leaving behind valuable rewards floating on the water's surface. Be sure to collect all the dropped loot, especially the Kraken meat. This unique meat can be cooked for substantial health regeneration, providing a significant advantage in future adventures. Take a moment to celebrate your hard-earned victory, and then prepare your crew for the next thrilling encounter with the legendary Kraken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.